Office. Second ball, return. Return, set, return. Oops, na-stop yun, na-set yun, return. Oh! First score, LHIC! Change service, LHIC to serve. Isang cheer naman dyan, LHIC. Number 11 to serve. Number 11. Service is good. Return. Stop. False score.
Serving for Team Esther, number 7.
Score head office. 1-all. Boom. Service is long. Number 9 to serve for LHIC. Service is good. Return. Stop. Return. Return. Stop. Return. Stop. Return. Stop. Score! Team Esther.
Serving for Team Esther, number 8.
HO, go, go! Service is good. Stop. Return. Stop. Score! LHIC.
We have service now for LHIC, we're number 19.
19 to serve. Score head office. Number 1 to serve for head office. Service is good. Stop. Set. Return. Stop. Set. Return. Return. Yun, no? Return. Return. Score. Head office.
Head office leads by 1, 3-4.
Number 1 to serve. Stop. Return. Stop. Return. Return. Score. Miriam.
We are tied at 4, serving for LHIC, number 14.
4-all. 4-all. Number 14 to serve, LHIC. Service is good. Oops, long. Service is long. Return. Stop. Return. Set. Return. Score! LHIC. 5-all. 5-all. Number 25 to serve. Number 25, LHIC. Out of bounds. Number 9, head office. Score score is 6-all.
We're seeing a couple of service errors from both teams. Warm up pa ng konti. We're in the first set. Score is 6-all. Serving for LHIC team number 20.
Darius Lim, number 20. Service is good. Return. Stop. Set. Return.
Out of bounds.
Outside.